Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I'm Phil Shinbine, as I have been for quite some time. This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, we're going to have a very quick look at Pony Jorgensen's bench vices, specifically the two base model versions thereof. There's nothing particularly earth-shattering or world-shaking about these vices as far as bench vices go. However, these two vices at this price point are amongst the best in the world. They're very solid, they're very well made. This second from the bottom, this medium one, has a nifty little boop dog pop-up. You know, they go in your bench, they match my watch. What's not to like? To be more specific, the smaller unit is all solid steel. It's very, very solid. This moves as you would expect. You know, it does have the holes through the front and back, so you can put your own pieces of timber in there so you don't mar the surface. It does have a couple mounting holes underneath, so you can get it up into the bench solid, perfectly, beautifully, as you would expect from a woodworking bench vise. When you step up to the next one up, it has all those same features, but it also has the aforementioned pop-up dog thingy. The point of having this in your bench vise is just added functionality to your workbench, right? If your workbench has dog holes in it and you've got a dog here holding your workpiece, you can actually extend it beyond the width of your workbench to actually brace something between the two. This will help you maximize your the effectiveness of your workbench. When you get right down to it, the smaller unit is really designed for the kind of hobbyist, the weekend warrior woodworker, the DIY maker crowd. But it is a lightweight, light duty unit, but it is, you know, very well made and very solid at the same time. And the next one up is literally just the next one up. It's a little bit beefier, a little bit more solid, has the added bonus of the whoop. So if you're just getting going and you don't know which vise you need, start here. It's, you know, bang for buck, financial outlay to kind of the functionality. This is the one that you'll probably get the most out of. And if you're finding that you need to step up a little bit, this one is a small step up in price and a massive step up in functionality. And they're orange. I'm gonna buy one of these myself, probably this one, and I'm gonna make a whole video about it on my own channel at some point. That'll be probably very similar to this and be, you know, completely unnecessary. So there you have it. Pony Jorgensen's workbench vices, the two base models thereof. Available here at Timbecon. If this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you. Hey, there's no vice here to walk into that time. That's nice. And if there was one there, being bright orange, I wouldn't have walked into it like that. I need one of these.